How you doing? Your name? Okay, so listen. Get the car out of there.
Okay.
Yeah, I will adjourn at 4 weeks. Lisa, give me a date like 4 weeks out.
Not here in 4 weeks, so I can go 2 or 6.
I'll go 6, that's fine.
Okay, October 16th at 8:30.
October 16th at 8:30. Get the car out of there earlier, okay? If you can, please, will you do that? Then they'll dismiss, I'm sure. It'll be good luck. Kelly Ann Ferguson, 19R 511 211 20R 511 787. Ms. Ferguson. Good morning. You're back.
Yes.
Did I give you a lawyer before?
I was sitting on the lawyer, so I come here on the lawyer.
Okay, slow down. Keep your voice up. I arraigned you on this probation violation on August 28th, and I see I adjourned it until September 4th this morning. And then on the other one, I just entered a not guilty plea, and I adjourned this one until September the 4th at 9. Did I give you a lawyer before?
Yes,
Who was your lawyer?
just walked out.
Mr. Baldwin?
Yeah.
Have you talked to him today?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm sorry. I wouldn't have called it if I'd have known that. Have a seat right there behind you at the table there. John Joseph Boland, file number 25F244668,
I think that one is.
A and B. Who's this, Mr. Baldwin's again?
And then these two, Judge, they're good. You can do those.
I'm sorry. He went back there now. Just have a seat. As soon as he comes in, I'll take care of these, okay? Did I have this one yet?
No, he's good.
George Ivan Gerganis. 3R 715 Your name, sir.
George, I think you're
You're charged with failure to complete the domestic violence program with 26-week follow-up. Placed you on probation on September 17 of 24. Do you understand that charge?
Yes.
If you plead guilty, if you're found guilty, you could have your probation, let me see, I could give you 5 days on that. There's only one violation. Do you understand that?
Yes.
And did you sign, read, and understand an advice of rights form here this morning?
Yes, I think.
If you plead guilty, you will be giving up all those rights and there will not be a hearing or a trial. Do you understand? Now, you have the right to a lawyer. I'll be happy to give you one now at public expense if you want one.
No, I'm fine. Thank you, sir.
You waive your right to a lawyer?
Yes, sir.
To the charge that you failed to complete the domestic violence program with 26-week follow-up, how do you plead?
Plead guilty.
Call in Emily, please. Were you ordered to, and did you fail to complete the domestic violence program with 26-week follow-up?
Yes, sir.
Anybody forced you to plead guilty?
No, sir.
I'm gonna accept your plea. I find it to be an accurate plea made voluntarily and understandingly. That plea is accepted. You can have a seat. We'll call her over and we'll take care of this, okay? John Joseph Boland, 25F244666. I'm sorry, 668 A and B.
Mike Baldwin, House Counsel for this guy.
Your name, sir?
Baldwin,
Does he stand mute? Wait, formal reading?
on the arraignment, yes, Judge, thank you very
And now he's going to plead to no ops and speeding 5 over. They're going to dismiss the suspend, correct?
Yes.
Is if you do that, the possible penalties, sir, are up to 100 fines, 90 days jail, costs are all those. And then 1 point will be added to your traffic record if you're convicted of the speeding, if you plead to that. Do you understand that?
Yes.
The no ops is 0 points. You understand that?
Yes.
Did you sign, read, and understand the advice of rights?
Yes.
If you plead guilty, you will be giving up all those rights, and there will not be a hearing or a trial. Do you understand that?
Yes.
To the charge, no valid operator's license on person, how do you plead?
Guilty.
To the charge of 5 over, how do you plead to that charge? Responsible or not responsible?
Responsible.
Were you operating a motor vehicle on West Huron River Drive near James and Flat Rock, August 19 of 25?
Yes, sir.
Did you have a valid license on your person? Are you on probation or parole? Anybody force you to plead guilty?
No, no.
Plea is accepted, and to the charge of 5 over, how do you plead? Responsible or not responsible?
Responsible.
I'll accept that plea, accept the plea to no ops, dismiss the suspend. Counsel, he's still suspended. Why is he suspended
Yeah.
here?
Thank you, Judge. He's got paperwork in his hand. I quickly reviewed it. Historically, going back, he got a ticket from an officer years ago regarding a medical condition. He was subsequently evaluated by a mental health expert and found that the medical condition did not exist. He was secured his license again, and then fast forward, he probably picked up a ticket, didn't take care of it. And that's where we're here now. But he does have paperwork in his hands regarding his ability to secure his driving privileges.
Anything you would like to say, sir? 155 on the speeding. On the no ops, 100 fines, 80 costs, 75 victim's rights fee, $50. Justice assessment, 305 or 60 days. So you owe the court 460. Can you pay that today?
How much, Aaron?
460.
450? No, I can't pay.
How much can you pay today? Where do you work at?
I'm social security disability.
All right, you pay $100 now on the speeding. You get a check this month still?
No. Check just came.
You pay the balance on the speeding, which will be $55 by October the 4th. You pay $100 by October the 4th on the no ops. 2. And then 100 per month until paid in full, beginning November the 4th. So you're gonna pay $100 today, and then you're gonna pay 55 plus 100 on the no ops for 155 on the 4th of October or before, and then you have to pay $100 on November 4th, December 4th. I think you'll have a balance of $5, and then you can pay that if you want January 4th, okay?
Thank you, Brent.
Best of luck to you. I want to quickly take Mr. Gerganis, George Ivan Gerganis, 23R7151280. He waived his right to a lawyer. He pled guilty. Excuse me. Your name? Name.
George.
Still wish to waive your right to a lawyer?
Yes.
What do you think's going on here?
It's not really his fault. The reason I issued this is he's out of time, the 17th. He had got new employment, it conflicted with the classes. PRS has been working with him, but it's kind of been a challenge. He does, as of today, he has 21 of the 26 done. I just think one of his small extension to finish it.
This was taken under 769, Lisa. I'm gonna need another date. Anything you want to say in 2 months? Anything you want to say?
No, sir.
Probation's extended for a period of 2 months until November 17 of 25. That results in additional probation fees of 40, pay costs of 50. So your total's $95. I will give you a new review hearing date. You complete the program. We should be able to do this the end of October, Lisa.
November 1st.
November 1st of 25 at 8:30 in the
Oh, wait.
morning.
I'm sorry, Judge. I looked at the calendar wrong. November 4th.
November
o'clock.
4th at 8:30 will be your review hearing, okay?
Yes, sir.
Can you pay the $90 today or not?
Yeah, it's gonna have to be around 3 o'clock.
Just pay by tomorrow. Pay by tomorrow, September 5th, okay?
Yes, sir.
Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Get that all taken care of. Where did Mr.
All right, let's talk about that. Judge Pope's docket in this session was a mix of routine probation reviews, messy licensing issues, and some defendants who needed a little extra patience. Things kicked off with Kelly Ann Ferguson, back again on a probation violation ed her to keep her voice up and stay clear for the record, a recurring theme with her appearances. It wasn't dramatic, just the judge making sure her process stayed on track with her lawyer involved. Next came George Ivan Gerganius, who admitted he hadn't finished his 26-week domestic violence program. He had 21, but new employment conflicted with the schedule, leaving him short. Rather than throw the book at him, Pope extended probation for 2 more months, tacked on modest fees, and set a new review hearing. It was pragmatic. The court wants the program completed, but it wasn't about punishing someone who was close to the finish line. John Joseph Owens' matter showed another side of the docket. He pled to no valid Owens on person and a 5-over speeding ticket, with a suspended license charge dismissed as part of the deal. The wrinkle was his suspension history, tied to an old medical evaluation. Owen even brought paperwork showing he'd been cleared medically and could secure his license again. Pope listened, accepted the plea, and worked out a structured payment plan. $100 now, installments each month, with a few dollars left at the end to square things up. His tone was both stern and almost grandfatherly, reminding Owen that driving without insurance could haunt him while also giving him a path forward without crushing fines all at once. The most interesting thread was how Pope managed communication. With multiple defendants, some nervous, some chatty, he kept stopping to slow things down, clarify misunderstandings, and make sure they weren't waiving rights they didn't understand. That came through most clearly with Gerganius, who waived his right to counsel, and Pope double-checked several times to be sure it wasn't a hasty decision. His style is cautious, but conversa let you speak, but he makes sure the record is solid before moving on. Overall, the courtroom atmosphere was calm, even when the cases involved probation violations or suspended licenses. Defendants were heard out, lawyers made their points without grandstanding, and Pope applied structure without unnecessary severity. Payment plans, probation extensions, and careful explanations were the order of the day. It wasn't high drama, but it showed the steady hand of a judge keeping the docket efficient while still respecting each individual's circumstances. Time to break this one down. Judge Pope balanced firmness with fairness, giving defendants realistic paths to compliance while keeping the legal record sharp and clean. If you found this hearing insightful, consider subscribing, hitting the bell, and letting me know your thoughts in the comments below. I read everyone.